One of the things as an integration community that we see is the tendency towards AV integrators becoming a much larger part of facility management or even facility design from a power standpoint, signal flow standpoint, things like that. But also, one of the places that we can continue to be proactive is in that security and preventative maintenance side of things. And one of the best ways to do that is actually through drone technology. As somebody who has quite a bit of family in the commercial roofing world, I understand a lot of the intricacies and importance of constantly managing and making sure that your roofing system is up to date, making sure that in places like Texas, where there's hail all the time, that your roof integrity actually isn't compromised, especially if you're flying things in an auditorium for a church or a venue or something like that. But also things like making sure that you don't have overgrowth into local power lines, or that your gas lines aren't being compromised because of things like tree roots. There's a lot of different applications from the facilities management side of the world that drones and the AV world continue to intersect.